Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will go over the top 3 fruits that are keys to the fountain of youth. Number 1. Avocado. Avocados are a nutrient powerhouse, loaded with vitamins like C, E, K, and B complex, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. But what really makes avocados stand out is oleic acid, a healthy fat that helps activate your body's defense mechanisms against aging. Not only does oleic acid support longevity, but it also helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Plus, avocados are completely sugar-free, making them a fantastic choice for keeping your blood sugar levels steady and your body thriving. Number 2. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is a fruit that balances nutrients with lower sugar content. Cantaloupe is hydrating and is packed with vitamin C to help for a strong immune system. The vitamin A in cantaloupe is good for healthy vision and skin. It's also a great source of potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Cantaloupe is perfect for staying refreshed, whether it's a hot summer day or after a workout. Its natural sweetness comes with a much gentler impact on blood sugar compared to fruits like grapes or mangoes. Number 3. Colorful berries. Last but not least, berries, specifically blueberries and blackberries. These tiny fruits, rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and support heart health. These antioxidants also help your cells stay young and vibrant. The vibrant colors in berries come from plants that produce stress-fighting compounds. When we eat them, those same compounds help protect our bodies from stress and promote overall health in a process called xenohormesis. So, next time you're picking up fruit, look for rich purples, reds, or greens. These colorful foods will definitely make you feel younger. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and check out our other videos. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more health tips. See you in the next one. Bye.